Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming Telegram is unreachable and checking the app's error. Once confirmed, open the VPN provider's app and sign in. Make sure you pick an obfuscated or stealth server if your ISP blocks VPN traffic. You should enable the kill switch and automatic updates now so connections won't leak. While connected, clear Telegram's cache or force stop the app. That forces a fresh network handshake. This prepares your device to route Telegram through the VPN cleanly. Once the VPN app is ready, choose a server in a country where Telegram is permitted and as close as possible to reduce lag. You should switch protocols, try WireGuard for speed, or open VPN TCP if initial connections fail. Toggling TCP can bypass DPI that drops UDP. After connecting, confirm your device IP and location changed in system network settings. Then reopen Telegram, if prompted. Complete SMS or call verification. Make sure background data is allowed so Telegram stays reachable. To finish, verify Telegram works under the VPN by sending a message or joining a channel. If you hit errors, switch to an obfuscated server or change ports. Many VPNs offer stealth mode specifically for blocked apps. Once done, enable split tunneling if you only want Telegram routed through the VPN to preserve speed for other apps. If nothing works, toggle airplane mode and reconnect the VPN to clear stale routes. This often forces the OS to rebuild the network stack and resolve lingering blocks.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.